we're going to be replacing all the seals on this door, and the first one we're going to do is what's called the inner scraper seal. And here you have to actually cut a piece out of the inner scraper seal and bend it over like that. So we're actually just going to model ourselves, got the new seal here, we're just going to model ourselves on that, cut a chunk out. If you don't happen to have the old scraper seal to measure by, the door has a slight kink here, and the first cut that you're going to make is just there. You're going to cut a triangle out, and that's going to basically fold over like that and push down the little V with a hacksaw. 2 cuts. You can wiggle or less, bend it out, just bend it back and forwards until it comes out. Don't be tempted to cut all the way to the bottom and cut too far. Just before you make that cut, just make sure that you actually have the velvety side facing inwards, and then the cut is going to be at the end. So say if you're measuring against another piece, it's extremely easy to get it back to front. Inner and outer scraper kit from the SL part shop. It actually comes with 10 of these clips. I'm just going to replace all of them because the fit is slightly better. The scraper is a little bit looser there, and whilst you can go along with a pair of pliers and squeeze that tight, might as well use the new clips if you've got one. So we're just going to go along and tap these down, hopefully without breaking the glass. When you are fitting these, it's important to get them the right way on. The centre loop goes over the ridge of the door. The big loop is at the back towards the window, so it goes on that way. You're locating these clips for the inner scraper seal. They must align with the clips on the door because these clips are not movable, they're fixed. So the idea is that this door hangs on those clips and just clips in. Just align this to the end. It should just be a matter of pushing it down and clipping it in, and then bending it down over that last piece against the glass as it should be onto the other side. The outer door seals will need to be cut to length, and I'm just going to use the old door seal to cut it to length. So I'm going to put the clips on first. There are 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Line them up with the old one, and then we're just going to cut it with a hacksaw. Outer clips are pretty tight, so I always use the offcut and just a little piece of wood to tap them down with a rubber mallet or something like that, so if you do slip with that you don't end up chipping the paintwork. These are quite hard to get them to click down, so do make sure you have something protecting the paintwork just in case you do slip. And then you want to just make sure that the window still goes up, which it does. Planning on replacing these scraper seals on your SL, you can get a scraper seal kit from the SL shop. The total cost including VAT is £168.38, and the kit basically consists of the outer seal clips. There's 4 of those, and those are the clips that hold the chrome strip on. You've then got 10 clips, 5 for each side, that hold the rubber strip on, and then you also have another 10 clips which hold the inner scraper seal kit on. Then you have the 2 scrapers themselves, 1 for each side, the outer window scraper and then the inner window scraper. So you can buy each bit individually. It's slightly more expensive if you buy it individually, or you can buy the whole thing as a kit. £168.